Hi everyone, my name is Kangana Grover and I am the senior instructor at Clever, and I heartily welcome you to episode number 1 of Clever Talks. We have 8 or 9 audience here right now, so we'll start. So before moving in, I would like to talk about the company Clever here. So company Clever, it's just not about the learning concepts. It's about, as you can see my screen, it's about for an AI powered future with a powerful curriculum designed in accordance with skill subject by NEP 2020 and ICSE CBSC. So here, students who join the Clever, we assist the young learners in cultivating forward-thinking abilities that enhance their employability. And if you enroll your children in the programs that we offer, so we make sure that the young learners build a strong student profile. We help them in developing their logical thinking and creativity skills. We make sure that they become a problem solver, and we equip they equip themselves with the most important 21st century skills of coding and AI. So now, to showcase such young talents, we have launched Clever Talks, and today is the first episode. And we have with us a very creative and bright students. So, first, I would like to introduce you all to Prisha. She is 9 years old and lives in UAE, and she has completed 4 levels with us. And she's currently in level number 5, which is Play Store Ready apps. Welcome, Prisha.
Hello,
Over to
everybody.
you now. Now it's your turn to showcase the best project that you have created to the audience here. I wish you all the luck, dear. Come on.
Hello, everyone. My name is Prisha, and today I'm going to be showing you my projects for today's live session. My name is Prisha, and I'm 9 years old, born in India, and currently residing in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. My hobbies are coding and playing the piano. Since I've always had a passion for amazing things I see on computers, I wanted to learn more about them. So we searched various platforms and came across Cleverid. I've been associated with Cleverid for a year now, and I'm very happy with my trainer, Ms. Kritika Pandey. I have made many interesting projects on various platforms like MIT App Inventor, Scratch, Coder.org, and more. I enrolled in Junior Coder's program and completed 4 levels. I'm currently in my 5th level that is Play Store Ready apps. The project that I'm showcasing today is a search engine that works like the app Google, and the platform I used is Code.org. My search engine project, Sierra, is a difficult looking but easy to make project. Here I'm going to explain more about it. Everybody have heard about Google. Sierra is almost the same thing, but with a little difference. I have used over 50 blocks in this code. There are many if conditions and blocks leading to different websites. It has also used many variables and equal to blocks. This enables users to go exactly to the website they want. One more thing I used for my project is image download for the icon and background. I did this project in our Clever session and built up further with a few if conditions and more website links on top. Now here is the area which I'm showing you all today. So this is my project, and it works like the app Google. So over here I can search anything, like I can search jewelry, and it'll ask me for permission to go to the website. And then it'll take me to the jewelry website. Then I can also search something like restaurant. And then again it will ask me for permission. And then it will show me the world's best restaurants. If anybody would like to say anything for me to type, I could do it. Like I could also type medicine, and it would take me back to the. It would take me to another website that takes me to medicine. That's all in my project. If anybody has any feedback or doubts, please feel free to ask. Since there are no more questions, end my I'll end my
Let's
project
not
today.
end right now. I want you to search more things that you have added in your project.
Okay.
Can you show me the options that you have added in your project?
Yes. So over here, we have options for books. We have
Very
options
nice.
for
What about
houses.
okay, we have searched about jewelry, you have searched about restaurant, but I like skincare. Like I'm very particular about skincare. So what if I write skincare in the search bar? Where it will take me?
Um, Over here, I also have
Mm-hmm.
an option for skincare. So search skincare
Okay, so if you write skincare in the search bar, it will take you to the
website. Yes, it will take me to Sephora.
okay, it will take me to Sephora and I can buy anything that I desire for my skin, right?
Yes.
Also, I missed my exercise or classes today. So what if I want to talk about that?
So over here, um, I can search exercise. Second,
Mm-hmm.
I can search exercise as well, and it will do the same thing.
Oh, so it's like a Google, right? Whatever
Yes.
we do in Google, you're doing in your own search engine. So what is the name of your search engine, Prisha? The one that you have
The name
created?
the name is Sayara because I took a few letters from the word search and made it into
Very good.
Sayara.
So in the fifth level of Clearword with us, you are able to create your own search engine, your own Google, right?
Yes.
Is this your own idea, your own creativity? Have you designed the screen on your own?
Yes. This was actually
Of course,
supposed
with
to
the
be
guidance of our mentors, right?
yes.
That's
I
very good.
added many of these, and that's how I made it
That's
more
very
interesting.
good. That's very good, Prisha. Well done. We are very happy to see your final project. Very good. Even the backdrop, the codes, everything looks too good. Very good. We are very proud of you, Prisha. Now let's end your project and we'll move to the next one. Also, Prisha, do you want to share like what inspired you to create this project? Let's talk about that
Okay.
also. Like what inspired you to
So
create it?
I've loved to like every time there's an assignment at school or something, anything that we have to research, I always use Google and Safari. So I
Mm-hmm.
wanted to see how they actually make it. So, but then I was happy that in my Clever session we were actually going to make one. And then I thought that why not I add a few more of them so that it would actually work like that. That's
That's really good. So you can flaunt your own search engine with your friends and your family members, right? That you have created your own search engine.
yeah.
That's very good. Thank you, Prisha. Good job. Thank you. Even our audience is commenting on your project. They're saying amazing, Prisha. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, audience, for motivating our young coders. Now, I would like to invite Yuvraj. He is 14 years old and he is from UAE. He is currently in sixth level with Clearword, right? Okay, we have Yuvraj here. Over to you, Yuvraj. All the best.
Thank you, Miss. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Clever Talks first session. I am absolutely honored to be presenting my project here today, and it was all possible because of Cleverit. So, in I joined Cleverit approximately 6 months ago, and until now, I have made about 15 projects already, and within the course of only 5 levels. So My name is Yuvraj Bharadia, and I'm 14 years old, studying in Dubai International Academy, Emirates Hills. I'm staying in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, and my hobbies include playing the violin, studying, and badminton. I have always been interested in computers and coding since I was young. So I wanted to turn my dream into a reality and joined Clever, who taught me all about artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning, as well as deep learning as well, with a lot more topics to come. I have been with Clever for 6 months now, and I'm currently pursuing my Clever AI Developer Level 2 level. And I have made more than 15 projects over my course with Cleverid and have been able to understand all about artificial intelligence, enhancing my communication and critical thinking skills. I'm honored to be presenting my project today and want to depict my excellent journey with Cleverid. All thanks to my teacher, Ms. Smita Bansal, who has shown excellent who has taken note of all of my questions and answered them immediately in the next class, helping me become who I am today. So, firstly, what is my project? My project is a e-commerce customer tracking system. In this project, we have a data of customers who want to buy online products, which is extracted from an e-commerce site to discover whether to focus on the mobile app or the website based on the time spent on web or app using machine learning models. So suppose I'm a company and I want to understand what I want to focus on in what should be my area of focus. So I would use my model, my machine learning model, to understand which affects my revenue the most, the time on the website or the time on the app. So the data set contains of 500 e-commerce customers with columns like length of membership, time spent on app, time spent on website, and the yearly amount spent, etc. For learning how to train a machine learning regression model. In this project, we predict future trends. So if a company wants to know based on a customer's data if they have spent 35 hours in total on the web and 45 hours on the app, they want to see how much revenue they would make out of that's only that specific customer. That is what my model can do based on existing data by analyzing it and predicting future trends, and most importantly the area of focus for the company. So by looking at which has a strong relationship with the revenue, the company would focus on that sector the most. For example, if the most dominating factor affecting the revenue is the length of membership, then the company can provide exclusive deals and benefits to long-time customers. Additionally, free trials to reel in new customers on their platform, which would enhance the revenue because length of membership affects the revenue the most. So now I would like to show my project. Let's take a look at my project. So here I made my project on Google Colab, and it is, so first we start by importing all the libraries, and then we'll have a look at the database or the data set. First, we have average session length. So how much time does a customer actually spend um, on their app or the website on average? It's calculated in minutes. So we can see the first 5 rows of all 5 columns of the data set. Then we see the time on app in hours, the time on website in hours, and the length of membership in weeks or in months. Then we see the yearly amount spent, which is equal to the revenue for the company. Then we start by defining what is the x variable and the y variable. So the x variable will be affecting the y variable. So we have chosen all 4 as the x variable. So the average session length, time on app, time on website, and length of membership. Then we have a graph. On this graph, we can see that, which is very obvious, that it's a positive relationship. So the higher any of these 4 factors, the higher the revenue for the company. After that, we plot 4 graphs to see which has the strongest relationship with the yearly amount spent. So first is the time on website. You can see this graph is kind of scattered all around the square, which doesn't really show a clear relationship. And then we have the average session length, which shows a bit more of a linear relationship. And then finally, we have length of membership. With the length of membership graph, you can clearly see that there is a directly proportional relationship, which means when length of membership increases, the revenue increases the most. After that, we analyzed all of the graphs. So as you can see, the best relationship between all four of these is length of membership. So now I, as a company, know what to focus on. Then, to provide more statistical analysis, we have the highest coefficient relationship. So this again shows that length of membership is the highest, is the most affecting factor. After which, we analyze the model. So throughout my journey with Clever, I've also learned how to analyze models. So if I have multiple models, I could see which one is more accurate. Moving to the bottom, this is where we predict. So for a website, we have given the time on the app, the time on the website, the year, the average session length, and the length of membership. So here, and then the result shows us that for 34 minutes of average session length, with 12 hours spent on the app, 39 hours spent on the website, and 4 month 4 month length of membership, the revenue for the company will be $550. And like that, we can predict as a company that based on the factors, which what will be our revenue. So throughout this project, now after running this project, you can see that we have predicted and we have shown which factor affects the revenue the most. So as a company, I now know which one to focus on, and I can use my model to predict future trends. Now I'll be opening the floor for any feedback and questions, if there are any. Seeing as there are
Thank
no
you,
questions,
Yuvraj. Letting know the audience that at the end we'll give audience the chance to let them ask you the questions. Okay, okay,
okay.
kids. Thank you, Yuvraj. So that was really interesting. Just a question for you: what, why did you create it? You got
So
inspired from anyone, or what was the reason you created this project?
So apart from having an interest in computer science, I've also always been interested in economics, finance, and accounting. And so I thought, how does a company decide what to spend their money on? And so if because I'm also interested in business, so I wanted to know how a
That's really
business is
nice.
managed, as well as how the usage of AI in different sectors of industry. Because with the current rise of AI, with ChatGPT, Gemini, and all these different AI models, there ha- it's made a huge change in our lifestyle. So I decided to have an interest in, I decided to pursue this project, and Clever has helped me make this project a reality, and it has answered all my questions, and I've been able to do what I like.
Very good, Yuvraj. Business and coding, that was your main idea, right? So that's a good
Yes.
combination for the project to be created. Okay, again, I'm announcing that for the audience, we'll open the floor for your questions at the end of the session. Thank you. Thank you, Yuvraj. It was great.
Thank you,
Now,
everybody.
I would like to invite our last guest, our last student, our last coder of the episode number one. His name is Kartik Singh. He is 14 years old. He lives in UAE and he has completed 8 levels with us. So, welcome, Karthik. Over to you now.
Thank you, ma'am. Just start sharing my screen. Um, mhm. So, the introduction about myself. Hello, everyone. My name is Kartik, and I'm a 14-year-old coding enthusiast from Abu Dhabi, UAE. I have a keen interest in coding, which I've been exploring for the past 1.5 years with Clever. My journey with coding has been incredibly rewarding, especially with the platform of Clever. Over this period, I had an excellent experience with Clever, completing 8 levels and approximately 100 plus projects. This platform has provided me with a solid foundation and opportunity to develop into various coding challenges and projects. In addition to Clever, I have also explored other platforms like Google Colab teachable machine, etc., to broaden my coding skills and knowledge. One of my notable achievements during this time has been my final project chosen for the first episode of Clever Talk, which is a casino betting game. It was challenging yet exciting project that allowed me to apply and showcase my coding skills. I am thrilled to have and excited to share my experience and learn from all of you. So, betting game. This was created on Google Colab. The code defines a simple betting game where the player starts with a balance of 100. In each round, the player guesses a number between 1 and 6, a bet. A dice is then rolled, and if the player guesses matches the dice roll, the balance increases by the bet. Otherwise, the balance decreases by the bet. The game continues until the player's balance reaches zero or they choose to stop playing. So let's check what I've created. So here's the betting game. So I would like Mr. or Mrs. Nilesh to guess a number between 1 and 6. So let's just guess a number between 1 and 6. If I choose 4, so it will ask us to place a bet between 1 and 100 or the available balance that we have. So if we choose 20, for example, the so over here it says that the dice rolled 6. So you lost 20. Out of your available balance, you lost 20, and now your current balance is 80. So now the code will ask the user again if we want to play again. So if we say yes, the code will run again and ask the user to guess a number again. So if we put 2, and it will ask again to place a bet. So if we place 20 this time again, and so now the dice rolled 3. Sorry, you lost 20 again. Now your current balance is only 60.
Let me tune in. Kartik, what if I'll tell the number and give you the amount? Can I do
Yes,
that?
ma'am.
Can we
Yes, ma'am.
restart it? Can we restart the project?
Yes, ma'am. So if I play
Let's do
now,
it. I will bet. I want to play the game with you. Okay, this looks
yes, ma'am.
interesting. Okay, so what I have to
Um,
do, I need to guess a number from 1 to 6, right?
yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, so I'll choose number 5.
Number 5. Okay. So now you have an available balance of 100. So you have to place a
Okay,
bet.
I'll put 30. 30, yeah.
30.
Yeah.
Okay. So now the dice rolled 3. You lost. Now you lost
Oh,
30
I lost
out
30
of your
rupees,
100.
that means.
Yes, ma'am.
And now
So
I
now
have 70 as the
70
balance. Okay,
balance.
got it, got it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So Miss Deepa says number 5. What if we write 5 this time? Very good, Miss
Okay.
Deepa. We love your participation.
So
Great.
if we say yes, and we put number 5, and
And the amount,
anyone,
Miss Deepa, can you help us out with the amount that you want to put into? We are waiting for your answer, Miss Deepa. Okay, it's okay. So we have 70 as the balance. So let's put 30 again.
okay, 30 again if we put. So the dice rolled 3 again. So we lost 30
Oh,
balance again.
it
Now
is
we have
again.
40.
Okay, I have only 40 rupees with me. Okay, so yeah, I'll again play with you.
Okay, ma'am. So a
Anyone?
new
Okay,
round.
very good. We have Mrs. Alka. She's saying that this time we should enter number 3. Okay, let's go with number 3. And
Number
this time,
3,
let's put 20 as the balance.
20. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, the dice rolled 4 this time again.
Oh God, this time it has given the number 4. And now I'm left with only 20.
Yes, ma'am. So we have 20 more balance to play. So do you want to
Let's
play
put
again?
20 also again. Yeah, I'll play it again.
Yes.
This time I'll only put 10 rupees. And anyone from the audience want to guess the number? Anyone? We'll bet it for 10. 10. this time? Any number? Anyone wants to guess the number? Any number from 1 to 6? Anyone? Oh, Miss Shweta says number 2. Again, okay, let's put
Okay.
number 2. And we are
Number
betting
two,
10 this time.
10.
Yeah.
Congratulations, you won 10. The
Oh,
dice rolled 2,
finally. So, very good. We got 10 rupees back finally. So now our current balance is 20.
30, ma'am. We had
30. Okay,
20 as
okay, okay.
available.
30.
Yes,
Very good. This is very interesting. Okay, so do you want to play again? Let audience decide. Do we want to play again? Should we type yes or no here? We'll wait for the audience to reply. Okay,
yes, ma'am.
Mr. Ranjit says 6 number. That means we will go again. So we have
Yes.
30. So we'll bet for 15 and the number will be 6. We'll bet
Number
for
6
15.
and 15. Oh, you lost. Dice rolled 1.
Oh, we lost. Okay. Now we have 15. Okay.
We still have
So
15. Anyone?
should we go back home with 15 as the balance or should we play again? Let the audience decide. Anyone from the audience who so okay. Mr. Om says 5. So let's put 5. That means we'll play again and this time we'll bet on number 5 and the amount that we will put here let's put 10.
10.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, the dice rolled 1 again.
Oh God, we are only left with 5 now as a balance. Should we go home back with a 5 as a balance, or should we try our luck this time again with 5? Okay, Mr. Neeta, Miss Neeta says to put number 3. Okay, so we'll go with number 3 and we'll put all our amount there.
Number 3 and 5. Full balance. So the code stopped. That means we lost again. The
Oh,
dice rolled
that's the
2.
end. So we
Um,
have come to 0, right? That's a
hmm.
loss. We are not so happy, but it's okay. Your game was very interesting. We had a gala of time. Do we agree, audience? Can we write yes or no? We had a great time. It was interesting, right? The audience, can we type yes or no in the chat box? The audience, play. Okay, we are getting late. I think we are getting late replies. So our audience wants to play again, and they're saying yes. We had a great time for sure. So should we play again, Kartik? What says?
Okay,
Kartik,
ma'am.
should we play again this time?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah? Okay, let's go again. And this time we have to win. Okay? Let's
Yes.
do one thing. Even if we get a profit, even a single time. So we'll stop the game there only. We'll not put all our money in this game. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So this is the case that if we win even for once, so we'll end the game there. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I want the audience to guess a number again from number 1 to 6. Okay, Mr. Ranjit says number 4. Okay, Miss Nilesh also says the same. So we'll put number 4 and I'll put 20 this time.
20. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, the dice rolled 2. So we lost 20 balance again.
Okay. So Miss Padma says number 3. So we'll go with number 3
I'm,
and
I'm
again I'll
coming
put
down.
20.
20. Okay.
Hmm.
So the dice rolled 5. So we lost 20 again. Now we have only 60 left.
Again we lost. Okay, so this time we'll go with number 4 as Mr. Deepa and Mr. Miss Alka says 4 and I'll bet 10 rupees.
10. So dice
Ah,
rolled 2.
again bad luck. Oh no, what a bad luck we have. Okay, again. Okay, Mr. Abhishek says number 1, so we'll play it again and this time 10 again, only 10.
10. Okay. Dice rolled 3 again.
Are we winning
A
this time
hard
or no?
game.
Oh,
No, ma'am.
So
We
sad.
lost
Bad luck. Again. So now we are left with 40.
40.
So I'll
Yes.
put 10, but on which
And
number? Let the audience decide the number. 2. Okay. 2,
2 and 10.
10.
Right?
Yeah. The amount is 10 and the number is 2.
We lost
Again.
dice roll
I
3.
think we'll lose again also. Okay, our audience is loving this game for sure. We are getting very good replies. Okay, the feedbacks are very good. They're having great time. Okay, so Miss Fatima says to put number 2, and I'll put a 5. The amount will be 5
5.
this time.
2 and number 5. Oh, the dice rolled 5.
Oh God, what a bad luck! Not even once we are winning. Okay.
So we still have
So
25
I'll go
balance
with
left.
number 5 this time, and this is the last chance. And I'll put 10
Number 5 and 10.
last.
We lost
Oh
again. The dice
God.
rolled 6.
So I think I'll go back home with 15. I want to keep some balance with me, so I will not continue with the game. But this was
Okay.
very interesting, Karte. I'll go back. I want to keep some money for myself, so I'll take 15 as the balance. But it was a very nice game. We loved it. Thank you, Kartik.
Thank you, ma'am. So,
Yes. Now you can conclude
so
your project.
in closing, I want to express my gratitude to everyone who joined today. Your engagement has made the session truly rewarding. Before we wrap up, I would like to open the floor for any final questions or comments.
Okay, so I want audience now to put their questions if they have any for Kartik, and then we'll go to Yuvraj, and then we'll go to Prisha. I want audience to reply in the public chat if they have any feedback or any question to ask from Kartik regarding his clever journey or regarding his project that he has shown right now. Any doubt, any feedback will be welcome. The audience really loved your project, Kartik. Okay, so we are adding Prisha and Yuvraj also right now because I don't think any of you are having any doubts with Kartik. So let's add all the students. We have Kartik, we have Prisha, and we have Yuvraj. So I request all the audience here, the members of the live session, if you have any feedback, any remarks, any doubts regarding the project that they have shared today, please mention that in the public chat. Thank you, thank you. You can see the comments, kids, right? They are really happy. They are really glad with your projects, right? They're appreciating your hard work. Can we say thanks to them? Any doubt to anyone? Miss, okay, the best game, Kartik. Okay, they love your game, Kartik. Yuvraj, Prisha, everyone is loving your projects. Okay, Prisha, this comment is for you. Too cute. Okay, we have one question. Prisha, what challenge did you face and what was exciting part? Okay, Prisha,
So at first I was confused, like how to, I didn't know how to like make Google. I thought it was very like complex and complicated. But later, and that was the one challenge I faced. Like it was at first it was really hard, like it was confusing. But later on, I got to know that you just have to add a few blocks and you can make the code. The exciting part was when I got to run it, when I got to play it and make my own app, my own
like
Google.
it was created by you, you named it, you designed it. So that was the most exciting part, Prisha.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, that's really good. Okay, so Mr. Deepa has a question for Yuvraj. Yuvraj, What would you advise to the person who wants to learn this?
So, if a person wanted to learn what I made, which is the usage of AI in different industries, which is actually a very interesting topic because with the new development of AI, um, every industry can actually develop a lot more, and the usage of AI is really interesting. So, if someone wanted to learn this, and if they're a complete beginner, um, I would suggest a course, and more specifically Clevered, because because the amount of support they give, and the teachers in Clevered, especially my teacher, and like, because she was the one I trained with, she was really kind. She taught all the concepts really well, and after learning the concepts, you would want to explore more. So find a topic of interest and just go for it. Any doubts that you face, ask your teacher or search it up online, and or you can learn from YouTube and other sources as well. But you
But why
learn.
don't we enroll
uh,
to Clever, right? The best platform.
yeah,
Don't you think so?
exactly. The best way
Why
to
to
do it
waste
is
time
to
and search
enroll
for
with
other
Clever.
platforms on Google or somewhere else, right?
Exactly.
Just
Yeah.
enroll in
So you
Clever
would.
and
Yeah.
becomes as smart as Kartik, Prisha, and Yuvraj, right?
Yeah, so you would want to learn it first and then just go for it. Make the project, solve all your doubts, and then you can one day you would be somewhere over here presenting your product.
And one day you will be where the Yuvraj is right now, right? Don't you think so,
Yeah.
Yuvraj? Right?
Yes.
Okay. So, Kartik, Prisha, Yuvraj, I really want to thank you for joining and showcasing your best projects. It was a really great time, and I wish you all the best for your future endeavors. Okay, we have one more question. Hi, Kartik. How do you create balance between regular school studies, these additional activities, and sports?
So I create a balance by adjusting my time and creating a timetable according to what classes I have, how much time do I need for my studies. So I separate the timings and I create my time for myself, sometimes during the weekends or weekdays to either do my studies or time for myself or go meet my friends. Mm.
You're able to keep the balance between all these things because Kartik, don't you think that clever requires gives you the flexibility here, right? You can have 2 classes in a week, 3 classes in a week. It's all according to your convenience, right? Don't you think so, Kartik? This is all
Yes,
because of the flexibility that we provide here, right?
yes, yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
And of course it's your interest. You have interest in coding, so that is why you're able to keep the balance amongst all the three activities: the sports, the studies, and the coding, right?
Yes.
Yes. So anyone else has any question to ask from the students, the audience? Any one of you, any question to ask? Okay, I think we are done. So I have shared the screen. So if you want to enroll with the Clearword and want your child to become as talented and as bright as Yuvraj, Prisha, and Kartika, so you can just send one hi message on the QR code that we are sharing right now on the screen, and our okay, we have one comment. Hats off to the kids. Wish you all three the good luck. Okay, thank you, Miss Antara. Thank you, thanks a lot. This means a lot for all the students. Thank you. So what I was saying is, if you want to enroll with us, so you can just send one message on the QR code that we are sharing right now. It will directly take you to the WhatsApp, and you can book our free demo so that your child can learn the coding and become a smart young coder. I'll keep this QR code on the screen for a minute or two so that you can easily scan it. You just need to send hi on the WhatsApp, and you'll get a free demo according to your timings, according to your availability. You can book your free demo for this week, and our salesperson will get in touch with you and we'll have a demo, and according to your convenience we'll choose the right level for your child, and we can start their coding journey as well. We'll wait for a minute or two for the audience to scan the QR code. We are still getting many comments here. Can you see it, kids? The audience is so sweet. They're pouring so much love.
Thank you all for joining.
Thank you, audience. Thanks a lot for joining in. We really appreciate the time that you have given here. Okay, Mr. Shahrukh has one question. Yes, sir. Please go ahead. For others, if you want to start the coding journey of your child, you can just send hi on this QR code. It will take you to the WhatsApp, and you just need to send hi, and we will book one free demo for you, and then you can decide when you want to start the coding journey of your child. We are still getting so much love. Thank you, everyone, for the sweet comments. Mr. Shahrukh, we are waiting for your question. Okay, I think coding these days due to ChatGPT and AI can be the I'm unable coding. I'm unable to understand the question here. What's the age to start coding lessons? Okay, so we can start the coding lessons from 7 if or 6. It totally depends upon the caliber of your child. You just need to send the hi message on the WhatsApp, and we will see your child how good he or she is, and then we can start his or her coding journey. We have a counselor for it, don't worry. Our counselor will get in touch with you. We'll have a free demo for you, and then you can decide whether your child can start with the coding journey or not. What's in the future of making the coding? What does it mean? Okay, Mr. Shahrukh, you can send one hi message on the WhatsApp here, and our team will get in touch with you, and we'll try to solve all your questions, because right now we are unable to make any sense of the comments. So please send one hi message on the QR code that we are sharing on the screen right now, and we'll try our best to solve your query. So, okay, I think we'll call it a day. Thank you all for tuning in. I really appreciate your time and your patience. And let's meet